What's up, everybody? P Double's back on Saturday night. It is time to get into a little 8-box mixer. I really like the ones I put together at the beginning of this week. So we're doing kind of a run back of last night's little one, and then we're gonna do that 14-boxer again right after this. So y'all check that out in the crater. That is what is shaking right now. And if we don't get into that 14 boxer tonight, tomorrow I'll be on at around 3 p.m. Eastern Time Sunday. So come check us out. Boom. And if we do get into that one tonight, I'll have another one ready for tomorrow around 3 p.m. Eastern Time. We will re-roll for the snake eyes. This is to see how many times we're going to randomize the break. Good luck, everybody. 6 the easy way. 6 times. Happy Valentine's Day, Andy. Woo-woo! I'm looking for some Valentine's mojo because it's cold outside. We need to keep it hot around the P doubles area. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for that, brother man. All right, we're gonna run through the list of all the players. Please pay close attention to the list. Make sure I've got everybody locked in as many times as you're supposed to be. If you are not, please, if you see something amiss, let me know. Holla at me in the main chat. I can't see the main chat right now, but I will come back to it after we go through the list. Please pay close attention. Shake it up. Dog fan with 2. Tommy Golf Superstar with 2. P. Willie, the original P Dub. Irish Chef with 2. Kip Raines with 2. Ryan H. J. G. Skins fan for life. Spartan Dog Walk. JB. Hey, we've got D. Gibson, Dirty Joe, Kobe's Crew, K. Maddie, and SC Scotty. They all joined this break in a very special way. Trugs, G. Burger Card Show, First Time Mojo, welcome. Shake it up. Good luck. Thank you for checking us out and giving me a shot to break for you. Root Shark 2, J-Con with 2. Devo, Lockdown, good to see you again, man. Welcome back, Tassi. And Giant Smash. First Time Mojo, welcome. Good luck. Let's keep that First Time Mojo rolling for G Burger and Giant Smash. Giant Smash, last spot. Mojo. Coming back to the chat. See how everyone is doing. You got it, Jeremiah. Just grab the best way to do it while the break is going on is to just grab it through the store. If you grab a spot through the store, that'll lock you in. Thank you. And we're down to like 23 left in that already. So all right, nobody's yelling at me. Woo! Yay! All right, let's go 6 the easy way. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 1. Irish Chef up top, doubled up. Wahoo! Down below. 2. Tree fitting. KJ Taurus is a whore on 4. 5. 6th and final time. Good luck, everybody. PC Love and Mojo 6 times. P. Willie, number 1, you win a big bucket of pride, brother. Skins fan for life down below 6 times. There is the list. Since it's your first time with us again, grab your numbers. That'll give you a sneak peek after we shake up the team 6 times. But if you do miss anything, don't worry. We run through everybody's squads and then I post it up. So, plenty of time to trade and all that good stuff. All right, let me copy and paste that into spreadsheet. Hopefully, I'll have time to grab the numbers. Bold. 14. To the teams. We've got 4 combo spots for our 2015 mixers. They are the Bills, Bengals, Cowboys, Patriots, Broncos, Chiefs, Saints, G-Men. Everyone else rolling solo alphabetically all the way down to the Redskins. Let's shake this thing up 6 times. Good luck, everybody. 1. Packers up top. The Redskins down below. 2. 3. Redskins fan for life wanted me to stop after 1. 4. KJ Torres is a whore on 4. 5. 6th and final time. Good luck, everybody. PC Love and Mojo 6 times. The Titans up top. We've been hanging out up top lately. The Steelers down below. 6 times. There it is. There are the teams. I'll give you a couple seconds to check that out. And we'll copy and paste. We'll run through everybody's spots. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that boom, boom, boom. Alright. Hopefully everybody has time. If not, just hang loose. Get this thing taken care of. Look at that. P. Willie. Return Mojo. My goodness. My goodness, P. Willie. Alright, we got P. Willie, the original P-Dub with the Titans. Ryan H., the Redskins. Irish Chef, the Vikings. JG, the Dirty Birds. My Dirty Birds. Joaquin, the Eagles. Kobe's crew, the Bears. Kip Raines, the Packers. Root Shark, the Cowboys, Patriots. K. Matty, the Jags. SC Scotty, the Chargers. Block Down, the Panthers. Is that PC Love? Devo, Bills, Bengals, Trugs, Colts, Dirty Joe, Broncos, Chiefs, Irish Chef, the Raiders. Hot damn, Tommy, I cannot stop getting you the Texans. What the hell, man? Giants smash the Dolphins, J-Con, the Seahawks, Spartan Dog, the Ravens, Tommy Golf, Superstar with the Rams. That's more like it. Dog Fan, the Jets, Cardinals, J-Con, Saints, G-Men, JB, the Lions, G-Burger Card Show. Welcome to the break, sir. You got the Bucks. Good luck. First time Mojo. Kip Raines, the Browns, D. Gibson, the Niners, and Skins fan for life. The Steelers. Let me print this up. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I think he left. And it's Saturday, so he's probably he passed out. Yeah, 8. Yeah, this is usually past his bedtime. He been drinking. He been drinking. There we go. Hopefully everybody can see that. Y'all can read that. I'm sorry, John. John, I'm probably gonna send you. Check out. We're doing that 14 boxer again. We'll do it right after this one if it has enough legs. Well, there's already. I think we're down to like 22 at least. I haven't even checked lately, but there it is. Check it out. Um, John Decepticon John. I'm probably gonna ship your helmet and your jersey separately. I'll probably ship your helmet all by itself, and then your cards and your jersey in another box. Just to give you a heads up when the mail is due. But those will go out Monday. I got a little bit of stuff out today. All right, I'll be right back. Y'all make some trades. Trade away. Let me know anything confirmed when you're back. Wee! Pancake! Bandit! What a day is! Look at everybody! Woo! Okay, Decepticon, send me an email with that. Yeah, well, there we go. I hit you back, Decepticon. Hello, pickle, party pickle, bag of dicks. That was hilarious last night. Bag of dicks. So juvenile, but I love it. Whoa, that's badass. The throwback, full size on the Mike Evans. I've seen a full size one. That is nasty. Yeah, dude, John, congrats. I'm jealous of that. I if I got one of those, yeah, full size, yeah. If I got one of those, that would go into lockdown. We pull the Bucks jerseys, man. The Bucks jerseys that show up. Oh my gosh, they're so gross. So gross. Now I gotta sell it. Boom, pink, pink, pink. You in the market? If it was closer to Christmas. It's closer to Christmas. If you still have it at Christmas, John, let me know. Around if you still have it around September, let me know. That's when I usually start picking stuff up. Uh-oh. Why? Because she open the did she open the 2 Jerry Rice cards and play Elf on the Shelf with him? What? Ready to mingle, baby. Ooh, that's gonna be awkward when both of you are in Vegas hanging out with me. Awkward. All right. Let's see here. I've got no trades announced to me formally. If you're still working on any deals, feel free to continue working on them while we get all the Prism cards out of their packages. 20 packages of Prism love here. That hobby love. Last couple boxes been kind of sad for us. There's usually Prism Hobby treats us well. Let's see if we can bounce back right now. Do it. Do it. Do it. No, that show doesn't exist anymore. As far as I know. God, I hope it doesn't. Ryan, God, I hope that show doesn't exist anymore. You might need to Google it. If you're taking a show, you gotta do a Cirque du Soleil. It don't matter what Cirque du Soleil show you go see, but Cirque is where it's at in Vegas. Big time. Then you'd have a whole town crying a river. Get it? Timber, because he's JT Justin. So. Which I guess Vegas needs. Vegas needs rain. So that'd be good. It'd be good for the ecosystem there, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. Any trades? Right on, no problem, John. I understand. I'm with you. I used to have things sent to the law office that I worked at instead. Remember when they couldn't find my house in Atlanta? Oh boy, the joy of stories I could tell you about my house in Atlanta. My word. All right, I've got no trades. No trades. Good luck. Dick in the box. Right, Nancy? See, Nancy gets it. That's why. Unicorn. She gets it. It's just all there is to it. Lucky man, right? Andrew Luck. Intros. Michael Crabtree. Prism. This will be the short print photo variation. Devontae Parker. Supposedly he's blowing up in prices. So I guess if you're sitting on a bunch of Devontae Parkers, he's selling well right now. Vic Beasley Prism. And nice. Numbered to 50 for the Ravens. Boom. Cracked ice, Brashad Perriman. Oh, that's sick. That is just a pretty card. That is disgusting. Ravens, Spartan Dog. Nice hit, man. Did they? Probably. We go on runs in this room for show. If not all in one break. How many times do we get freaking 3 or 4 of the same guy in one break? 28 of 50. Nice hit. I like that. He's going to be a beast next year. Dude, Ravens are going to be so good next year. Ben Roethlisberger intros. Alshon green. I'm convinced. Walter Payton red. I'm convinced they're going to be really, really good. I think we got this one yesterday. Paul Warfield, Blue Wave. Maybe we got his cracked ice or something. Camera don't like Paul Warfield, Blue Wave. 18 of 150. Oh, no, he was 42. There he is. I like it though, Pink. I like it. He's had different. He's definitely had different autographs this year. And since this is a sticker, I assume these are from earlier in the year because, like, his on cards that have showed up later in the year is just kind of down to the BP number 18, Trey McBride, which he's definitely learned in the training room. Odell, Philip Rivers are in training camp. That looks like one of the rookie premier sticker autos. Yeah, dude, Devo. I love that freaking thing, man. I freaking love that. I'm a huge fan of non-autographed sick patch cards. I'm going to show you guys my favorite one. I just think you guys have seen it before, though. DeMarco Murray helmet. Clay Matthews, but the one that's my favorite just got better with the Super Bowl. Clay Matthews, cracked ice. 14 of 75 for the Packers. Kip Raines. It's last year's museum collection. Quad patch, numbered to 25, numbered 4 of 25. And it has Drew Brees, Tom Brady, Peyton Manning, and Aaron Rodgers. Chunks, like chunks. And I've sent it to BGS and it got a 9.5. Shady McCoy Prism. And there is our other autograph. So Brashad, definitely the big one. PJ Williams for the Saints. Oh, no Saints. $179, $299. Ramo's here. I see Ramo. Don't miss out on the next break, y'all. Don't miss out. Go Titans. That's what she says. That's the next break. If we can get enough legs on it, like I said, we can break that tonight. Big old break after this. All right, not looking for any more autos. Nelson Aguilar, Blue Wave. Not doing any autos. 133 of 150. Rashad Jennings, red. Devontae Parker, die cut. Juwan Edwards, red Mojo Prism. For the Chargers, 39 of 99. Promise, it's 39 of 99. Cam Newton, blue. Last little bit here. Buck Allen, Shaforis, Blue Wave. Nice inserts. Parallels, 13 of 150. Nice little parallels there. Matt Stafford Prism, Air Marshall, Joe Flacco, Air Marshall. Nice little start. Not too bad. We can work with that. We can work. We can work with it. Skins fan. Let me write that down. Skins fan. You got it. Alright, we'll do a high tech and then SIGs, and then playbook, and then the other high tech. That's what we'll do. Sounds like playing. Are any of you guys at all worried that when Devo comes and visits me, especially if Devo and Liber Madness both come together at the same time and visit me in Vegas, like, I might not survive the weekend? That specific weekend they visit. Melvin Gordon. Right. Kelvin Benjamin, numbered 10 of 50. Not too bad. Who's behind him? Is that Devin? Gold Devin. Numbered 7 of 50. Nice. Devin Funchess. Super Bowl runner-ups. Runners up. Panthers. Nice hit. If I could find them on my sheet. There they are. Block down, Tazi. Nice. There we go. Wanted to trade them. Nelson Aguilar. Riggins. Matt Forte. Jeremy Langford. He's your man now. Jordan Matthews. It's official. Jeremy Langford. No more Forte. You can pick them up for cheap. You know they're going to feed it to them next year. You know they're going to feed it to him. And he can handle it. There's a minor league baseball team there. The Las Vegas 51s. TriStar Memorabilia is opening up a shop supposedly this month. There. So there'll be a couple of places. We'll go see the Field of Dreams at Caesars. If TriStar is open, we'll go see the TriStar store, and of course we'll go see Ultimate Sports Cards down at Fremont. That's when we'll do the Fremont, the whole Fremont thing. Oh, we found the booklet. It's booklet time. Alright. Oh, geez. From 2012? Is this a 2012 leftover? DJ Fluker. My God. For the Chargers. Ugh. Sorry, but we didn't want DJ Fluker in 2012. The hell makes you think we want him in 2015? Ugh, I just threw up a little bit, I think. What the hell are you talking about? A few beds, yeah. Pink. I'm looking in. When I get there, I'm gonna try to get a pull-out bed, a couch with a pull-out. Jordan Poyer for the Browns. Kind of weak sauce, but we did get the booklet at least. Woo, we got the booklet. The booklet is all for one team. Try to suppress your wows. Try to suppress the wows. It's a duel, and we got some. No, I was gonna say damage, but a little bit right there. Stuff going on. And there it is for the Jaguars. Rashad Green. Why not Allen Robinson? Marquise Lee was USC. Rashad Green was Florida State. So, yeah, not numbered either. Not numbered. Shake it up for the Jags. I told y'all to suppress your wows on that one. K. Maddie. Boom. Case hit. I mean, you know, that's how we got. That's what we got going on. Damn, what a difference. What a difference in booklets. One case to another. Holy crap. Right, Devo? Devo knows what I'm talking about. DJ Fluker, baby. Shit, I didn't even look at. I didn't even announce the Chargers. Let's see Scotty with the Fluker. It's no fluke. SC Scotty with the Flukers. Oh, no. Okay. Okay. All right. We'll get through this. Mike Evans, Gerald McCoy. 184 of 199. We have a random. We have our random to do. Triple threats. Todd Gurley, Melvin Gordon, TJ Yeldon. 19 of 199. Saw the back of that. Was like, ooh. That one could be filthy. No. That is what we call a triple tampon. Great players, though. Good stuff. Good stuff on the card, but yeah. Y'all know. We wanted chunky. We wanted chunky. Chunkiest. This will be autographed. Good luck. It is for the Browns. Duke Johnson. We don't mind pulling Duke Johnson. It's that other a-hole that we really mind pulling. Kip Raines, 196 of 199. Not too bad. Not the worst. Not the best. Braxton Miller. We got duped on. If you missed out on this one, really an immaculate. Oh, no, not an immaculate. Ugh. Just terrible. There's the link for the next break if y'all missed out on this one. We're doing a really big one. This one was an 8-boxer. It was a little budgeter we did just to open up today. We got a Grande 14-boxer ready to go. If anybody wants to rock and roll on it, we should be in the teens, I would think. Could be wrong. No. Emmitt Smith, we'll have to check. Jerome Bettis, the bus. Purple. Oh, there he is again. Damn it. Back to back. Congrats, Kip, but damn it, want a love spread. Only 8 boxes. Freaking dupe. Well, we said at the beginning of the break. Philip Dorsett, Marshall Falk, Kelvin Benjamin. Damn it. David Johnson, Emmanuel Sanders. Damn. Alright. No more Dukes. No more Duke Don. No more Dookied. Yeah, and that's again like when we do the little ones, I like, make sure they're under $30 just because, if we do go hitless in a little one like this, which is easy to do with only 8 boxes. Hopefully it doesn't sting too bad. We're just hoping to try to find some big hitters for a lower spot price. We know there'll be a lot more. There'll be a lot more hits in that 14 boxer for sure. And this is the second to last jersey out of the case we're working on. So the one in that 14 boxer will be the last jersey in the case we are working on. I have one sealed case. And I managed to scrounge up 6 loose jerseys. So we'll work through the case. We'll start with the case next week. And we'll work through those 8, and then whenever we get through those 8, we'll get to the 6 loose ones. But we still won't do any divisionals. Just they're still impossible to find. All I could get was 6. Not even from a freaking sealed case. Last box of cards for this little 8-box mixer. Of course, still have 2 big boxes left, the mini helmet and the jersey. But if you are still hitless, hopefully we can get Contendas or one of those 2 to come through for you. But if you do remain hitless, y'all know Dubs takes care, tries to give you a little extra something. I always send a pack with a superfractor or autograph possible, or even a superfractor autograph possible. This week I've got 2014 Bowman Chrome and 2015 Mini Chrome. So if we can't get the mojo for you in this one, hopefully the pack will come through. If not, hopefully we can get it for you next time. But good luck. Come on, let's spread some love. No Duke Johnson. I love you. Love you, Kip. Love you, Browns. But you've got 2 Dukes. So let's spread some love. First out of the gate for the Vikings, Eric Kendricks. Fluker. Oh, Scotty, SC. If that's your only hit, if that's your only hit, brother, you know me. You will have definitely earned a hitless pack if DJ Fluker is the only Charger I managed to pull for you, brother. Yeah, that one goes without saying, my man. Antonio Brown. Yeah, I've been much more liberal with giving out the hitless packs. It makes me feel better. AJ Can for the Jags. If somebody even just only if they get a hit, technically get a hit in a relic card with a relic card. If it's a 1 color freaking Nelson Aguilar. Tampon, numbered to 799. Yeah, I've started throwing in a pack for those 2. Peyton Manning. Whereas, you know, any other breaker, that's it. That's all you're getting. Or if you go hitless, you ain't even getting a package. Boom. Jordan Hicks, 44 of 99 for the Eagles. Championship ticket. I don't think we've pulled Jordan Hicks. He might be one of those short print guys. I mean, we know this one's to 99, but there might not be many others of his regular ones. Putting his combined output very low. Who had those Eagles? It's a pretty card. Cool signature on that. Joaquin. Matt Jones. Antonio Romo. Des Bryant. I'll try to do a quick check on the next break. Another Russell Wilson, 199. I think we got one yesterday. 84 of 199 this time. Stupid pennant. Freaking triangle cards. Justin Forsett pennant. All right. Now we got 3 autographs. Still need to find 2. At least 2. Hopefully 3. This one not bad. On card, Jamison Crowder for the Redskins. Little mini beast this year, especially towards the end there. Ryan H. Nice. Redskins, solid team this year to have in breaks. Matt Jones and Jameson, if they can get their ish together. Damn, they were a freaking playoff team. Joe Flacco. They could straighten it out. My word. Leonard Williams, Nelson Aguilar. Lorenzo Doss. Oh, come on. Jamison Crowder, the best one in here. 97 of 99 for the Broncos championship ticket. Lorenzo Doss. Getting some pretty cards, but damn. Dirted Joe. Want some freaking names. Yesterday's boxes crushed it. There goes my hitless pack. I just saw that mark. Devin Funchess. Dan Marino. What's funny is the Lid Madness used to be against. He used to tell me not to send him hitless packs. I'm like, well, it's kind of against my nature. I got to send him. And he hits a damn Jerry Rice, numbered 5 of 5 this week, out of hitless pack. Curtis Drummond for the Texans. Tommy Golf. Oh, Tommy, I gotta get on track, man. Why can't I freaking pull you any cards? Oh, kind of lame. Jamison Crowder, the best card here. Come on, give us an extra one. Nope. Phillip Rivers. Wow. Jamison Crowder's good. Oh. Damn you. Pretty color. Jordan Hicks. Jordan Hicks might be a sleeper. I don't know. Jamison Crowder on card. All right, we got 2 big hits left. Good luck. Rules for all the memorabilia down below the screen. For the TriStars, there's always a chance we find a redemption for something. If we do find a redemption for something, whatever it is, it'll be randomized to the entire group break if we do find one. The normal way we do things. Good luck. Here we go. I'm loving that we have our hands on some mini helmets now. Whoop. Here we go. Come on. Big hitter. Big hitter. Oh, wow. Wow. That'll be for the Cowboys, but that's on a Maryland Speed helmet. Check this damn helmet out. This thing is disgusting. That is a Maryland, like, special helmet. Randy White, College Hall of Fame, 94. He even inscribed his specific College Hall of Fame. Wow. Cowboys. Root Shark. Mike, that's disgusting. Yeah, Randy White, Maryland. That I'm telling you, man. That Kevin White, West Virginia one we pulled. This one, man, the college ones, dude. The college ones. That's where it's at. That is where it's at. Congrats, Mike. That's very cool, man. I don't know. You also, I get so much more excited for things that we haven't seen. You know, so many times we pull the same things over and over. Definitely the first time I've seen a Maryland mini helmet and one design like that. Oh shit! You're right. Check the bottom. Damn it! I get so excited for the everything else. Alright, let's see. Like, it's funny that I do the whole spiel before it. Like, only the chance we find the upsize or redemption. But yeah, they usually don't put them in the recognizable name ones, and they usually put them in the lesser name guys. That's badass, dude. That is freaking badass. All right, one big hit left. Good luck. I said, hopefully, y'all. I know a lot of people did not hit, and I'm gonna be sending out a lot of packs, but hopefully it didn't sting too bad. Like I said, only it was a little budgeter for 29. Hopefully y'all ain't too mad at me. We took a little shot. Good luck. Let's get a hitless team on the board in a big way. Let's get a big name out this jersey. Come on. Come on. Don't be Jamison Crowder. Oh, wow. Wow. For the G-Man, J-Con, Odell Beckham. Bang. Yeah, we'll check and see if it's a stat. Nasty. JSA authentic. Woo! What up, Addicted? Alright. If it were a stat, we'd be able to see it on this fold right here. It's not looking like a stat jersey. But that's disgusting. Odell. Congrats, J-Con. Finally. Pull some nasty for J-Con. Oh. You're very welcome. Thank you. J-Con had 2 spots. Alright, let me do a little refresh and see, like I said, I can't ever focus on anything. We gotta do the randomizer. Let's just roll 1 die instead of doing the thing, if y'all don't mind. We'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it rolls a 1, 2, it'll go to the Rams. 3, 4, Chargers. 5, 6, Jaguars. We'll do a check on how many are left in the next break. See if we're gonna keep rolling or log off. Good luck, Rams, Chargers, and Jaguars. Jeez, Jags dismantled. Didn't even give the friggin' Rams and Chargers a shot. 6 times, Jags. K. Matty. Booklet, and now that? Dude. Dude. All right. Irish Chef. JB. Thank you, John and K. Matty. We're at 21 left. What do y'all think? 21 left in the 14 boxer. It might be getting too late for my room anyway. It's 56 on the next one. 56. But like I said, if we don't roll on today, having 21 left for tomorrow to start tomorrow with, it'll feel quick tomorrow. Joaquin, you took a second. That takes us down to 20. All right. Let me reset the broadcast. Let me clear the desk of this break, and we'll come back. I'll put some music on, and we'll see what we can do. Right on. Hang tight. I'll be right back. 20 seconds.